Good morning guys! Today ang i-discuss natin ay ang coffee machine, model 8785 Bloomfield. Bloomfield Coffee Machine Gourmet 1000 8785 XL model. Opening procedure. Tank must be full of water before connecting brewer to electrical power. Heating element will be damaged if allowed to operate without being fully submerged in water. Damage caused by operating the brewer without water in the tank is not covered by warranty. So make it sure po na nalagyan natin ng tubig ang loob ng reservoir tank bago natin i-plug sa convenience outlet. For over operation, make it sure na yung brew light is naka-on bago tayo magsimula ng paggamit ng equipment. So maglagay po tayo ng empty air pot sa ilalim ng brew chamber. Then maglagay po tayo ng tubig, so identical to the one being used. So gamit po yung tap water. Then ilip po natin yung pour over cover. Then maglagay po tayo ng tubig sa loob. Then magsisimula na po yung paglabas ng mainit na tubig sa brew chamber natin. Then after that, yung coffee po natin is ready na to serve. For over operation important, so paalala, do not connect brewer to electrical power until the tank is filled with water. Pour over into the pour over opening until water flow from the brew head. Then we have also the caution. To avoid splashing or overflowing hot liquids, always place an empty air part or server under the brew chamber before starting the brew cycle. Failure to comply can cause serious burn. Then we have a note. Pouring any amount of cold water into the pour-over opening and into the basin pan, force an identical amount of hot water out of the tank and through the spray head and into the brew chamber. Cleaning procedure. Disconnecting brewer from electrical power source, then allow the brewer to cool before cleaning. Number 2, remove air pot or thermal server. Remove and empty the brew chamber. Then remove the spray disc from the brew head. Press up on the spray disc ears and then turn the disc to the left to unlatch. Number 4, remove the gasket from inside the brew head. Number 5, wipe inside the brew head and area around the brew head with a soft clean cloth or sponge with clean towel. Number 6, wash the spray disc in a sink using warm water and a mild detergent. Then rinse the spray disc with clean water and allow to air dry. Cleaning procedure. Wash the brew chamber in a sink using warm water and mild detergent. Then wipe the exterior surface ng equipment natin. Then reinstall the gasket, brew head, and then reinstall the spray disc. Reinstall the brew chamber, then procedure complete. Important, do not submerge air pot or thermal server in water. Clean air pots and thermal server by filling with warm soapy water. Scrub the inside with a bottle brush. Empty and rinse with clean water. Wipe the exterior with a soft cloth or sponge. Then invert and allow to air dry. Sanitize the decanter. Rinse decanter under running water. Spray the DHC solution on the lime scale buildup on the exterior of the decanter. Let stand for at least 10 minutes. With white scrubbing pad, scrub exterior to remove lime scales. Rinse well with warm water. Shake off excess water and air dry. Sanitizing and descaling the water tank. Ang gagawa po niyan ay ang service provider. Parts identification. We have the pour over cover. So dyan po tayo naglalagay ng tubig. We have the indicator light, serve as visual reference pagka ang equipment is ready to brew. We have the brew chamber, dyan po tayo naglalagay ng grounds. We have the thermal server or decanter, so dyan po napupunta yung kape na ibinubrew natin. Then sa loob po ng electrical compartment natin, we have the thermostat. So naka-preset na po yan according sa standard ng store. Then we have the thermodisc. Thermodisc as a safety device. Next, we have the water basin pan. We have the heater. We have the bend tube gasket, elbow inlet, elbow outlet, and gasket element. The spray head gasket, the elbow sprayer, and the spray head. Sa troubleshooting guide natin, water won't heat. So possible cause po niyan is naka-unplug po yung equipment natin o either nag-trip po yung high limit natin. So check po natin yung power cord, yung power supply, o either yung breaker natin kung naka-on. Coffee level low. So, possible po is hindi po tama yung tubig na nailagay natin o either masyado marami yung grounds na inilagay natin sa brew chamber. So, increase po natin yung water amount, then mag-adjust po tayo sa grounds. Brew chamber overflow. So, possible po niyan is yung filter paper po natin makapal o either doble yung filter paper natin o either masyado po marami yung kape. So, solution is clean po natin yung brew chamber, then i-adjust po natin yung amount ng coffee. Brew chamber overflow. So possible cause po niyan is makapal yung filter paper o either mali yung filter paper po natin o either masyado marami yung coffee grounds. So i-check po natin yung filter paper na ginagamit natin, then mag-adjust po tayo dun sa amount ng coffee. Spray water from brew head. So possible cause po niyan is hindi po properly installed yung spray head gasket natin. So, i-check po natin yung installation niya kung tama. So, ang kailangan po natin gawin dyan is i-check po kung ano po yung actual na temperatura ng tubig o either itawag po ng service for calibration process.